Hello, everyone. I am Saiman Warhan, the founder director of Head Start Learning Academy. Today, I am here specially for teachers who are teaching in the foundational stage and for parents whose children are studying in the foundational stage, the toddlers. Why am I especially for you all? Well, I am going to cover the entire course of phonics, where I hear a lot of confusion when I meet the teachers. They have not been perhaps trained properly in this field of phonics, and there is a lot of confusion. What is phonics and how do we go about? Because when you open the net, there's so much of information which we truly do not need. We get confused. And once we are confused, we confuse our children, whether they're our students or our own children. So today is the first lesson of phonics, and this is specially for you all to tell you all, please do not worry. Phonics is the easiest methodology. Once you know what is phonics, you will speak better and the spellings of your students or your children will be better. So shall we start? We will begin with the English language because English is important and this is where we get confused. I will be covering phonics in Hindi too later on, once you'll understand this. We must know, and obviously all of us know, that phonic, English. So the English language, how many letters does it have? The letters uh, to Z, they are known as letters, and the entire string of those lovely letters, they are called alphabets. So that is the first thing that you must remember. What are letters and what are the alphabets? We will not call the alphabets letters and vice versa. So there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. And how many sounds? How many sounds? Thank God it's covered. 44 sounds. Yes. There, that is where all the confusion sets in, that there are 26 letters, and where do all sounds come? How the sounds are more than the letters? Well, each letter has got its own sound. The vowels, where we open our mouth, A, E, I, O, U. We've opened our mouth, air is going in, the lips are not touching the bottom of our jaw, right? A, E, I, O, U, the vowels. Each vowel has got two sounds, the long vowel sound and the short vowel sound. And once we mispronounce that and we are not aware of what it is, there is a lot of confusion, right? Then the letter A, it's like the superhero of the alphabet. Why? It has got 9 sounds. Not fair, but it is like that. And I will be dealing with each letter and the sound. This is where the letters are less and the sounds are more. So when we do not know what the sounds are and how to pronounce, our pronunciation goes incorrect. Later, we will write the incorrect spellings. So I hope all of you are clear till now. The first thing that I want to share with you all is, do not worry at all. We must just have a little knowledge, and that will deal with all our problems and it will be solved. So, what is phonics? Phonics is the link between the spelling of a word and its pronunciation. In fact, many a times we pronounce the word pronunciation incorrectly. So, just hear carefully to how I'm speaking. I'm speaking totally in Indian English so that you all can understand. So it is the link between the spelling of a word and its pronunciation. Since English has more sounds than letters, a combination of letters is often necessary to represent a single sound. Like if we say puff, we do not spell it as Tuff, isn't it? Tough. So OGH is representing puff. Got it? This is just one simple example I've given you all. Please do not get confused. Do not worry, because if you are fearing phonics, we can never overcome this problem. Thus, this was just an introductory class for you all. Phonics is not at all a problem. For phonics, the P is pronounced as phonics. Phonics. Phonics can be fun if we know how much to open and how much to close our mouth. God bless you, all of you, and I hope you all will be eagerly waiting for video number 2.